Good morning. Let me check audio levels. Check. Here we go. I'm gonna try speaking better into the microphone. I noticed that if I go too far away, it doesn't sound good. But we'll figure things out. All right, hello. Today we are gonna be fixing a bunch of bugs that we found yesterday while doing a playtest. If you're new, hold on. If you're new, I'm developing a game called Far North. Hold on, I lost myself. There I am. We're developing a game called Far North. It's a procedural open world survival game with dynamically changing seasons, meaning that our hook that distinguishes us from other survival games is that the fact that as you progress through time and the year, you actually change seasons, which means you're also changing the way the game works, different challenges, what's important in the game, what you need to prioritize, stuff like that. If you haven't already, go to Far North on Steam, link in the description. Please wishlist it. Wishlisting helps us get basically discovered and helps us get to the front page on Steam once we actually make our launch. So that's why I would love for you to wishlist it. Speaking of launches, we're actually launching on itch later this month. The plan is it's very not ready. It like the game is in pre-alpha. A lot of missing systems, a lot of bugs, a lot of like very little content. But the upside is that you get to play the game for free. We get to build a community. You get to do this with us. You get to give us feedback early, which is always great for both of us and for you guys. You get to play the game and shape it a little bit at least, which is pretty good, I would say. It's similar to the way that Minecraft did, Valheim, Raft, pretty much a lot of these games did some kind of free access thing to begin with. And then later when the game is really shaping up and starting to have good content and we feel it's ready, then we might move it off. But you can always, doesn't matter, honestly. But yeah, that's kind of what we're doing today. Just gonna check some stuff here. So I made a bunch of lists. Hold your horses. Yeah, by the way, join the Discord. The plan is that we'll post on Discord once we launch the game, probably between Christmas and New Year's. I will post a link on Discord. So if you haven't, you can join that. Hold your phone. Just making a little look. Okay. Never mind. There we go. Okay. So this is the bug list. I'm gonna start by adding this to our codex. This is done. Very good. I think this works. I haven't validated it, so never mind. Okay, I'm just gonna add these bugs. Maybe we can do something nice here. There we go. Okay. A lot of bugs. A lot of bugs. Audio level. Just adding a bunch of bugs that we noted. There we go. Those were actual bugs, and then we're gonna register. Okay, hold on. Fog. Okay, that's in Kanban. I see. Well, it's fine with duplicates for now. Okay. Whoa. Add surface script to all pieces. It's a good one. It's improvement. Make breakable pieces is technically a feature, I would call it. Add shrubs. That's an improvement. Sound effect. I feel like I missed something here. Sound effect is just not enough intel. I would say. Gonna check some things. There we go. Okay, good. Did I fix this tiny error? I think I should have fixed it, right? This is old 26, yes. Good. Yeah, fixed it. Gonna commit that bug immediately. There we go. Very tiny fix. Oh, what did we do here? God, I hate when things are being added and removed. It's one of those. Okay, I'm gonna Oh, let's do this. Let's stash them. Make sure that nothing broke. I don't think anything broke. Dude, it looks so now nice outside. Just some faint snow outside. It's perfect day to be locked inside. Yeah, nothing really changed, I feel like, so we can discard these. Okay. Let's pick things up. Let's start with the bugs. I know what I want to fix first, actually. Audio levels. Because, God, I hate this. Basically, we set the audio levels. We basically we store the audio level settings, and when we restart the game and load it back up, the levels are correctly in the sliders, but they don't actually get applied to the game, which is insanely annoying. Let me see here. On that note, I'm gonna do what am I looking for? Audio manager, probably. This is Mark's code, so I haven't really touched it, so I'm not sure where things are. I think this is old and not used anymore, but sure. Hmm. Okay. I suspect it's in the like UI of some kind. I guess I can do this. I know Mark added it in the canvas. In the pause menu, in the settings menu, I mean. Okay, settings UI, makes sense. So this is, I'm gonna see where we apply it on value change. Show category, that's fine. Audio category, which is settings category UI, okay. Set active category. Ah, okay, so it's actually called audio, okay. Save settings. Hold on, I assume there's a, yeah, audio category UI. Here we go. Okay. So refresh settings. So when we persist it, refresh settings. When is this called? Refresh. But this is, okay. Play settings. If there are changes, here, play, yeah. Master volume. And let me see this. So we do get them. Problem is, when we're setting the master volume, player prefs, audio listener.volume. So I suspect this is the problem. So where is the player settings manager? So that's happening right there. So what I needed to do is, as soon as we load up here, I should do the let me see. Push changes. Right, yeah. So this is saying should only be called by the settings UI. I'm not so sure about that, but let me make another one. Public void apply. I want to do that, and I just want to do audio listener dot volume equals master volume, and then ambient. We're not applying the ambient volume at all. Okay, good to know. That's obviously a big issue. I mean, I'm not sure what is controlling what at this point. That's the real challenge here, in my opinion. Like, because we should have one big, like we should have not an ambience manager and audio manager. We should just have an audio manager that manages like the audio and the ambience and whatever else. We have a weather temperature UI. Oh, I forgot about that. Interesting. Okay. And we do like settings manager and everything here. So that's actually fine. Then we should be calling it here. Right? Let me do that and let's just see, because the audio manager is added here, which is good. So I think that should be it, honestly. It says there's changes. I'm not so convinced. Main menu. Don't agree. So I'm listening to music in the background, just FYI. All right, let's see. This should be fairly easy to tell if that worked or not. We have so much shit as well in the project that we need to clean up. It's wild. Okay. If I move you like a tiny bit. It definitely didn't apply. Let me see here. We have a game manager, I guess, in this. Yeah, that's what I assumed. We don't have an audio manager in this. In this case. But there's no reason not to have it. Hold on. I want to see here. Yeah, ran the load. Let's do this. Let's just jump into a new game. And we can kind of check. I assume it already loaded, but yeah. It already loaded, that's fine. Or we're not using it anymore. It's a little... No, okay. Yeah, it's right here. So this is the... I'm gonna sneeze. Sorry, I tried to mute. Failed. And now I need to blow my nose. Hold on. There we go. Okay, so I'm seeing a few issues here. One being this is just the audio. Like I know Mark added a way for it to generate audio, like spawn audio things. Hold on. Oh, it does. Oh, interesting. It gets the... Okay. We don't use it, so it doesn't matter, I think. Play at position. Is this the one that... Let me see here. On event, play at position. Do we really use the... Oh, okay, you're not passing in the volume in reality. Which probably makes sense. Actually, it doesn't make sense. That means you're not playing any audio. Well, you're playing at -1, which is strange. Also, usually shouldn't this be logarithmic? I mean, this is, yeah. Fine. Doesn't matter. When we press play here, I guess if volume is negative, yeah. Then you get the group volume, which is interesting. Isn't that totally incorrect? The whole fact of us using group volumes, I think, is not really correct. Volume shouldn't even be an option, I would say. We do it like that, and then we get the we get the let me see. We're supposed to be getting right. Oh, we're not able to access. No, we are. We are. Oh, it's I got it. I got it. Yeah, so in this case, master volume, right? So it should just be so that's gonna fetch it for us. It's a bit of a mess. Oh, I'm dumb. Hold on. This is not true. We can actually revert up. Can do that. This is fine. This is fine. Oh. Thunder. That's another thing we want to do is actually set the... Let's do that. Okay, wait. So we're starting with the audio manager. It's a self-registrator, which is fine. We're doing some weird things. Let's start with that. Whoa, and go from there. Layers. What's interesting is we never do destroy. Clear. Should be enough to help out. Okay. So we know we want to do this. Game manager. Audio manager. Do I need a database? Not really, unless I play. Let's be sneaky about it. See what happens. But yeah, in reality, we should completely separate game and audio. It would simplify things a lot. Okay, let's see if the audio is the same. Oh, seems to have worked. Oh, interesting. So that's why we would need to put it in the for the layer for the fine. Audio source like that. I think we want to play on awake. Probably enough. Ah, still a bug. Oh, because I didn't assign it on startup. Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough. I'm really not sure how we want to handle the streams. Like when I used to stream on Twitch, we we used to play some music in the background, but I'm not sure if we want to do that or not on YouTube, because I know YouTube is a lot better at catching copyrighted stuff in general, which is, you know, not great, because I definitely ended up with some songs playing that were copyrighted. There we go, should be enough. I would really like to outline a better audio system. Just like, it's good, I just need it to be cleaner. Like, Audio Manager is good in itself, but I think it's tying into too many things. It should hold. It should have master volume. It should have what else? Ambience volume. Probably. It should also have sound effects volume, maybe? Question mark? Actually, let me make an inquiry on Twitter about this, believe it or not. Hold on. Let me do this. This is how you get engagement, I think. Ask Twitter a question and they will provide it for you, because people have opinions. Good, we register and apply the loaded settings. This is just another proof that the Audio Manager should handle this. Player Settings Manager. I'm not convinced. I'm very much not convinced that this should be here, because each system should handle that on its own. We should have it here. Like, accessing it from here is totally fine, but we should be able to set it up in the Audio Manager. Just worth considering. All right, settings. God, I hate this UI. It's horrendous in every way. But all right. What audio sliders would you like to have in a game? Game dev made with Unity. Game development, indie game, audio. UI, no, audio file, I don't know, game. Fuck if I know. Audio file is probably not a good tag. It's not audio sound. Yeah, something like that. And I will paste it. I feel like we're missing a few. Like that. And let's do a sweat emoji. Let's see if people have opinions. Maybe, maybe not. Kind of impossible to get noticed through the noise, honestly. But it doesn't hurt asking questions. We have the bots retweeting. Okay. But for now, we know that that works. I think this is probably a good set. Oh, of course I know what else. Music. Of course. And ambience is like weather. I guess ambience works. So probably something like that. God, it looks so beautiful outside. Hold on, I need to take a picture. It's so nice. Hold on, shit. Of course, the sad truth is that it's impossible to capture it like the way it looks. It looks much nicer in real life than in the picture, so it is what it is. But, okay. I think we're good on audio levels. Ambience volume is broken, so we're gonna fix that later. Press play. I need to fix this as well. Okay. This is such a bug. I'm not sure what's going on here as well. Like I must have messed something up with how we align, because it slides away from the hand of the player. It's buggy. Okay. Everything seems to work. I think I'm actually gonna go ahead and do this refactor, honestly. Famous ooh, I wonder what this is. Is this audio triggered through I know it's a notification. I'm very curious if, like, how do we, okay, play one shot. Like, is UI, what is UI? Sound effect? UI? Something else? Are we getting any opinions on Twitter? Unfortunately, we're not. Damn you. Okay, we're playing the one shot here. Wait, audio source? What's this? Oh, notification UI, audio source. Ooh. Now I have a curious question. We have this audio source stuff, so if I go to notification, reasonably, hold on, let me do this. Time dot add time of day, like 7 hours should be enough to decrease. No, a little bit more. There we go. So these guys play. Oh, okay. So the audio source is actually here, and then it plays the clips at a specific volume. What I'm thinking is maybe I'm trying to figure out if this is stupid or not. Because we have audio mixer groups already. This is how we should be working with things. Right? Hold on. Unity audio mixer group. Let me see here. Yeah, because this is the mixer. An audio mixer is an asset. You can create one or more audio mixers and have more than one active at any time. An audio mixer always contains a master group. Other groups can be added to define the structure of the mixer. So how it works, you route the output of an audio source to a group with an audio mixer. The effect will then be applied to that signal. The output of an audio mixer can be routed into any other group in any other audio mixer in a scene, enabling you to chain up a number of audio mixers in a scene to produce complex routing, effect processing, and snapshot applying. Ducking. Oh, they apply ducking. Ducking allows you to alter the effect of one group based on what's happening in another group. An example might be to reduce the background ambient noise while something else is happening. Oh, yeah. I think this is the way we should be working with audio. Because that makes a lot of sense. Let me just... Because what I did here is still fine, probably. Let me check an audio group. Oh, never mind. I know there's some existing ones. Hold on. Yeah, I just wanted to like look into it. I'm pretty sure, yeah, this is how you get the audio mixer. I'm definitely not very experienced with it, but I'm certain this is what we want to work with. Doesn't have to be complicated for what we're doing. This is being used by Cozy right now also, which is here, if I remember. I don't know where though. Oh, in ambience probably. Or not. It's kind of here. Kind of not. Settings and modules, options. Guess not. But if I look into this, we have these guys. Let me open this up and have a peek, because I think this is the way we do want things to work. Audio. We're not using audio here. Atmosphere. BFX. I mean, not... Well, maybe. Audio manager. Cozy audio manager. Let's see here. Okay, so there's a Cozy audio manager. Oh, it's an FX module. I get it. I get it. Meaning that if I check in the... Here, I open up this. I thought it was here. Maybe it wasn't. Hold on. I'm gonna do this because it doesn't matter. And the cozy weather like thing is so laggy. Ah, here we go. Audio effects. Yeah, weather FX. Precipitation. This is just allow for snow and rain. Yeah. This is fine. Miscellaneous. Stars, the things. All of this is okay. Post-processing, there's nothing here. Yeah. Okay, sure. So this is just pulling the weather effects. And for ambience, we have like bird song. So I bet you if we open here, they have FX as well, which it plays this, but it actually didn't. I assumed it would be controlled, but it wasn't. Interesting. We can play. It's nice to have the audio. Is it the atmosphere? No, it's not atmosphere. Just trying to figure out like what's... Reflections. Not sure I need that, but yeah. Let's see. I know we got a reply on Twitter, by the way. Yeah, exactly. Also no music slider. True. Yeah, so think bird chirping, wind howling, etc. Music slider is definitely missing. Ambience, sorry about that. Where's my notes? Currently, content. There we go. Sweet. There we go. Yeah, okay. So we're definitely doing things here using the audio groups. Cozy Audio Manager. Let me check. Yeah, so the VFX module is an audio manager. That's the only place we access it, but this one probably gets accessed a lot. It gets accessed by the audio FX. Ooh, yeah, so that makes sense. That I think this one was audio FX, right? Like bird song. Yeah. So all the audio FX things access the audio manager, in this case Cozy. This is the slight problem with building off of some assets that use systems that already like that we want control over and wanna kind of expand on. Like this audio manager is not, I mean, it's pretty fine. It's just VFX mode audio manager. Yeah, we have the audio manager handled here always. And we set the volume. But what happens like in this case, we have nothing subscribing to a change in the audio manager, do we? Like this audio FX thing has a clip, whatever. When you play an effect, you set the volume. But I guess maybe it's fine, maybe it's not, I don't know. Let's put some breakpoints. Okay, so we're playing these effects kind of consistently. Why? Because we're weighing chances of playing things, I guess. Is this being called all the time? It is. Like these are not amazing things, potentially. So there is a runtime reference, obviously. It has a parent. The volume is not 0. Is it already playing? It is, which means this is full, so we're not gonna play. Oh, okay, so it literally updates every time. Got it. This is kind of redundant, I feel like. What's more important is we're playing this audio FX thing, right? Using a clip, but it's playing it. Wait, just checking. It has, yeah, so it has an audio source. Where do we set the audio source? Oh, we add it. Okay. And we pair it to the audio manager, which is, or the audio manager parent. And we set it to the weather FX mixer. So if I check here now, not in echo system. Yes, I can do the light rain in this case. This system is broken, by the way. It does the same things here. Okay, which means that you're... yeah, in VFX, right? Yeah. So weather FX. Okay. So you're like calling that specific one. What about ambience? If I... Can I find references in scene? Because this is... At least it's nice because weather... Maybe that's not bad, actually. Ambience is a little unclear. We might want weather effect. Just weather, honestly. Weather. Did we find it? It did definitely look for things. True, I added this, so that's my... So we're accessing it through in some places. Did I look for... Oh, I looked for the weather. I'm looking for... Oh, wait, mixer. Yeah, no. True. I probably need debug. Just looking if I can find it immediately here. I can't. Weather manager. Cozy ambience manager. Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, in modules, there's the ambience manager. True. True. And if I check the light, it has VFX. And it has sound effects. Does the ambience manager... See, this is the problem. Like, is this not... What's an ambience? And what's the weather? Right? I feel like we're not really using... I don't think we're using the ambience manager. Oh wait, is this our own thing? Oh, there's a cozy ambience manager. That's what I figured. If I check here. So we're setting an ambience. But it doesn't really play anything, you know? Which leads me to think still. Like, let's not have that. Well, since this is kind of broken, let's do this. Yeah, so we have the meadow wind, right? And this is type mismatch. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, here we go. Just checking if there's anything. It doesn't have a runtime reference, which is fine. Yeah, I think we're only controlling the weather FX in this case. What happens if I do this? I cannot add it. So this is the whole... I'm so curious. I don't think this is used whatsoever. Oh, I guess we get to do this. Wait. Weather.set. Like heavy snow. Yeah, we're playing the weather Why didn't I think of this earlier? So the weather effects are playing. If I do clear. Weather dot set. No, ambience. List. Yeah, it's all birds. If I do the vulture circle. I think it's the same. Did it switch? No. Okay, no, but obviously we're only controlling the like the weather effects. Slightly broken, maybe. But it's also good because we get to do this on our own, because we should be doing this on our own. Hold on. So this took me down a path I didn't plan for, but it's still very good. So in game we have sound, right? We have audio. This is just the audio library, though. So let's do this. Let's say audio mixer, because that's really what it is. And we will make it, hold your phone. I hate searching for things here. Audio mixer. And this is game audio mixer. Just very clear. Open this one up. Game audio mixer, yes. Now. I would like edit in play mode. Add. Nope. Exposed. Nope. All right, so here, yeah. So we add groups, edit. Okay, maybe I can't do this while here. Let me exit. Oh, did you see that? The audio jumped for some reason, which is strange. Hold on. I feel like I'm maybe going away from the thing. Okay, yeah, here we go. So we know we have weather. We know we have... Oh, no, I don't want to... Oh, shit. Go away. We know we have... Does Twitter have anything other to say? Not yet. All right. So I think we have the music. Music. Add a sibling group. Sound effects. Wow. Sound effects. Ambience, not so sure. I think the jury is still out on that one. Whether or I'm not sure if we, at this point, since it's kind of everything, I honestly think it might be better to call it ambience for now. I would like it to be sorted a little differently. Yeah, music, ambience, sound effects. Good, 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 good. Now, for cozy, that means I would love it if we just control it through this. So if we have the audio manager, hold on, we're getting somewhere. We have the database. We had an audio source, which is a global, very good. Now, serialized field. We have a private audio mixer group. So this is the web music mix group. And then we have the ambience mix group, and then we have the sound effect. Like that. Step 1. Now, in our player settings, we don't care about this. Audio volume, master volume, really don't care. But much rather, we would like to, when we awake here, we don't apply this. Set up sound layers, which does, okay. Then we unchanged. Unchanged what? This is way too generic. Instead, I can always do this. Hold on. Unchanged is such a stupid thing. Like this, I mean, I know something, it's not the most nice, but it's actually not horrific for what we're trying to do. We don't need this. All right, so we have on enable, which is the on change, and this shouldn't be adjust ambient volume. This should actually be just adjust volume. But the nice thing is we don't need this. Any of this, technically. I'm gonna comment it out because I don't wanna shoot myself in the foot. But basically what I'm thinking is we do the mix. So we do the ambience. Let's start with music. So we'll do player settings manager. And we just get the, hold on. We have master volume, we have ambient. So let me put music volume, get float, and this should be the music volume, music. And then we have the sound effects volume. Like that. And we do the music, volume preference. We don't need this default value. We just need audio value default, because reasonably it should be 1. Like that. And I will just do this, because why wouldn't we set everything to 1 for default? I'm probably gonna run into why, but you know. And we do music, volume preference, audio listener, no. We just set this. So when I get it, we get that again. Very good. Volume. Yeah, so here we instead just don't set anything. Shouldn't all of this be set through the... Let me comment this out. This should all be controlled. Like, we shouldn't be controlling audio in the settings. We should just be getting settings. So get music volume, make it an expression. Set ambience. Yes. Ambience volume, I think. Like that. And finally, we need the sound effects volume, which is literally just sound effect volume pref. Like that. Make this an expression body as well. Make this go. We'll keep that part. Okay. And now we get to get the music mix group. Dot audio mixer. Just checking things. Is it just going around? Yes, it is. Mix group. I want to set the volume. Audio mixer is also... Hold on. Let me do this. Set audio mixer group volume script. Interesting. This seems old. 2019. A little older. Let's just see. Coding the mixer, all I need. Oh, set. So it is set float. Oh, master volume. I see. Did they call it master volume here? When they made the... Hold on. Oh, expose parameters. Ah, I see. This might be slightly off from what you would be doing. Yeah, so if I do this, can I just... Let me see. Add... No. Hold on. Yes, there's no exposed parameters. Let's see what's happening. So how do you do it? I don't need the audio for it. You clicked. Attenuation. Oh, I see. Volume. It's in dB though, which is a little unfortunate. I guess what they're gonna be doing is minimum and maximum. Yeah, I suspected as much. Does it change it? I guess it's temporarily though. Okay, good. I get it. I get it. So we select like music. Yeah, can I do all of these? No, multi-editing not supported. Right click. This is such a weird way to do it. Expose volume of music. Yes, please. Because there's nothing, right? Nope. Good. Expose volume, expose volume. I don't care about the master. And I exposed it and it said probably master volume. So it's probably just, yeah, I can check it here. Oh, okay. Rename. Which one was this? Ambience. And then music volume. And then sound effects. Effect. Weird that I didn't make this. Whatever. Okay, good. Good. Should be good. Now, I don't need to care about this. Just the audio manager that needs to care about it. Unless it's... No, this is good enough. And now I will do private constant of string ambience volume. Which is, yeah, ambience. And then there's, actually, let me call this music volume. Music volume, ambience volume, and then we have sound effects. add this volume thing. Like that. So whenever something changes here, we get each thing. We get the music group, get audio mixer, and then we get the set, the float of the music, volume mixer key, and we get the player settings. We don't need to call it a manager because it's almost everything is static. And music volume, right? And now we, yeah, true. So now we're getting what they're doing is setting it to be, yeah, logarithmic. Let's do that actually. Hold on. Yeah. It's the base 10. So if I do like 0.5, just want to see. Oh, no. If that's the case, that's not good. Oh, you multiply it? Doesn't help though. Because you put it between 0 and 1, right? Yeah, you do. Value. I can clamp this for easy. Well, whatever. So they're doing log, yeah, the base 10. But I just like that's this. No matter what, like if I do 1. 1 is literally, oh wait, yeah, exactly. So maybe I should just go one step back. No, they do this. So I'm just gonna. Oh, okay. So that's literally what you do. Fair enough. I believe you, internet. Math F, log 10. Pass in the music volume, multiply by 20. Everyone's happy. We do this math F dot clamp 0 and no. Clamp the value between 0.00001 and 1. And then we do that, duplicate it, and we just do it for the next thing, which is the ambience mix group, ambience volume mixer key, ambience volume. And then we do it for the sound effects mix group, sound effects volume mixer key, and then the sound effects volume. And what, because update the volume of the currently playing ambient music. We don't need to do this anymore. We always play sound effects at a position, which means that we can do audio source dot mixer output mixer group, which is the like that. That automatically sets it accurately. And we pass in the audio source, we give it whatever we need. I don't need to do any of this anymore, I think. We just get it. Where's the group? Oh, that's kind of neat. Actually, since we're defining it here, we don't need to do this here. Hold on. That means in the bottom here, instead of doing it here, we can just go here. And if it's custom, I feel like if it's a custom group, then we get the group layer, which is, hold on, I'm just trying to, not sure if we ever do this. Let me put a breakpoint here. Wait, no, if it's not a custom layer, confusing. If it's not a custom layer, then we fetch the layer. Oh, we switched this. Oh, okay. Meaning we have it set already. Okay. But if we're passing in, here we go. So if you're ambient, I don't think we need to control the volume ever. We just set it to the we just source yeah, we don't care about this. We just apply the source if we need to. Doesn't matter. And then here we check if you're ambient. Make it the ambient mix group. What layers do we have? So whenever we play on the player, we know if it's ambient, then it's ambient. But usually, if we don't care about this, let's just do this. Else, let me check again. Custom is weird. If it's player, in general, if it's anything else, actually, we just make the source sound effects mix group, because realistically that's going to be what we're using here. Play one shot, that's fine. Volume might not be initialized. Volume is 1. If volume is less or equal, is less than 0. If it's less than 0, just give it 1. Whoa. And otherwise, give it the volume. So this way, if you're below 0, then we're just gonna return 1, and otherwise we use the custom volume, which we shouldn't be using, but whatever. Yeah, if fx. What? What's an fx? This is another weird thing. Shouldn't this be kind of... It's a little messy. But that's probably not horrible. clear some things up. Reset to default. Very good. Audio value default. Music volume. And sound effects volume. Ambience. Sound effects. Yes. That reminds me. How did I do it here? Audio listener. Dot volume. In this case, volume should just be player settings, manager, master volume. That's a little special case. And then the conversion starts, I think. And now I can go here. Weather manager is fine. Just go to the cozy weather sphere in the VFX part. Audio. We're going to give you the ambience in this case. There we go. And then I don't think we have music here. No. Save. Switch. Proc gen. Manager. Background music. And I'm just going to give you this. Music. Volume should be probably, yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Do we have anything else we need to pair up? Yes, we do. Hold on. This one also needs to switch audio to the ambience. Good. And then we have a bunch of other small things, I think. We have the underwater renderer. Does that play audio? No, it doesn't. I think it's on the player. That's also ambience, honestly. Hold on. Do we have anything else? Oh, yeah. Hold on. I'm not sure what... I'm gonna... UI sound, I'm not sure. The jury is still out on that. Later. It's not super important right now. Oh, right. So we want to match these guys up. Music. Ambience. I'm going to sneeze again. Oh, this time I actually saved you guys. Jesus Christ. We go like that. Good. Save. I think I need to go to the player. I think it's mainly sound effects on the player, honestly. Not sure what else there would be. Which is, it's good, it's good. Anything else? I don't think so. No, we're good, we're good. Ground check, whatever. That's pretty much it, right? We have the player camera as well. Do we have some weird shit here? No, just a listener. Good. There we go. I'm sure there's a billion broken things. But it is what it is. We get to switch over to this and add the new sliders. Settings menu. 2D. Okay. Let me do the audio category. In this case, for the slider, do we do any value change stuff? Audio category UI. So we're checking if there's a change. Ambient volume slider. Do we run this in an update or something? Where's the has changes? Okay, fair enough. So music, volume slider, ambient volume slider, and sound effects. Volume slider. Music, volume slider. And then sound effects, volume slider. Value. So music, sound effects, volume. So something like that. And we keep going with the change detection. Sound. Like that. And we already do the reset here. Should be good. Switch back here. And I get to basically just duplicate this. Oh, okay. Ambience. This is music volume. God, I hate when they pair up like that. Jesus. Let me do this instead. Music volume. Music volume. Sound effects volume. There we go. Maybe that's it. I don't know. Will be interesting to see. Probably forgot something that's definitely broken. After that, it's bathroom break. Okay. So there's nothing on ambience, meaning it's already broken. Interesting enough. Here we get an error. Oh, right. That's not the problem though. So if I go into the game, you know, I'm sure it's going to be the same issue. Ooh, maybe not. Maybe not. We got one thing, which is the player is broken. That's okay. Hey, we're getting audio, which is a good start. Let me try it out. Is it possible to kind of get it running? Maybe. Hold on. Settings. Ooh. Hey, hey. It does work. Let me pull the volume up a little bit. Get ready to be deaf. Actually works. Okay. Pretty good, pretty good. Not gonna lie. So there's some bugs, but oh, let's see if it persists or if it's... Ah, perfect. Beautiful. So there's a few things that I know get broken, but that's totally fine. Okay, so we know we need to add these guys, music, ambience, sound effects. That's just something we needed to do. Then I'm gonna compile Bolt, and I will be back in a little bit. All right. Be back later. Maybe like 4 minutes. Hello, hello. Sorry. Had to feed the cat. Okay. So we have compiled, we have saved. Let's play again. Always fast. Okay. Pretty good. See if it loads as it should. Whoa. Okay. Sound effects seem to be kind of working. Loud. Interesting. Okay, so hitting. Hold on. That means, like, this is fine. It's just that when we play a clip, do we do this? The audio already played at this point, so I'm not entirely convinced. Oh, okay. So that's actually... that plays the audio effects. But the impact does not. Hold on. Let me just check this. There it gets it. It's getting called from on event. It is an the audio effect is on the local player. Hold on, let's step through this then. So we're playing this. So why do you not work? Did it not, like, register? Did I add the wrong one? Sound effects, no, you're there. Am I mixing the sound effects? Wait. It does move the sound effects. Okay, so it does move it. Okay, okay. It's just that... Hold on. There it is. Okay, I get it, I get it. So, in this case... We're playing, but we're not... Passing in the... Okay. So in this case, volume should be like 0.5 in comparison, I feel like. This is gonna complain, but that's fine. So, right. I'm gonna do the next thing, which is... So we're calling this from the swim. It's not an effect, it is a loop. Interesting. Okay, yeah, fair enough. Oh, it's playing on the ambience. Player swim. True, it is an ambience. Let me just experiment for funsies here. Maybe not at this. Yeah. Sure. I think I need to remove it now, but it's just nice to experiment being able to add these ambiences and whatever. And it does seem to work, which is good. Good. Bonjour, Adriano. Wow, Unity. Quick as always. Jeez. Remove effect. That's neat. That works. That's good. All right, code 0.5 is probably better. Half the step. Probably good. How's it going for you? Probably want to add the UI thing as well, but I think I'm going to save it for later. I think we're getting to a point where it's kind of nice enough. Ooh, I wonder if the campfire and shit is... Hold on. Fab pieces. Like the campfire. Play, yes, I figured. It's technically... Would you... Pretty good. Need to clean up your enemy AI, which is semi-boring. Gotcha. Opinion, by the way. For the campfire audio, would you categorize campfire as sound effects or ambience? Right now, ambience kind of includes the weather sounds. What else? Like birds chirping. What else? The underwater sound, like distortion thing, is also like when you're underwater and it's like that kind of thing. Would you put campfire in that, like ambience or sound effects? Right now, sound effects is basically like when you're hitting things, stuff like that. Sound effect, definitely. Good. Then we are in agreement. Sound effects. Excellent. Good. It's the same for the torch. Actually, when I'm here, I'm gonna get this shaker script. Copy that and put it on the torch. Items, torch, where are you? Torch. Model. Torch is obviously sound effects as well. And if I open you up, say torch model, point light, if I just base component as new, I just added the shaker to make the shadows actually wobble. As a player, I would imagine that the campfire gets silenced by the sound effects settings. Yeah, I think that makes sense as well. Do I have anything else that makes a lot of sound? I don't think so. I do not think so. No, we're probably good. Okay. Let's try it out. Is the in-game volume good enough compared to my microphone, or do I need to increase it? All right, let's see. Interesting. It's still, the steps are still loud. Shouldn't be. Volume should be 0.5. Yes, it is. Step, step, step. Volume is 0.5. It is. Play the one shot. Which should be the correct sound. Interesting. Let me check the player. It's good on the stream side, mix as well. Perfect. Player. Let me see here. Audio. Oh, okay. See, that's interesting. It should be getting called by the step, which it is. Is there some other audio source? No, it's the same. Let me see volume. dinosaurs. Yeah, no, it is. So why are you ignoring? Output. Play one shot does not actually play it accurately. Strange. Wait, is volume? Maybe volume is. Shot. I'm just gonna check it out. Volume scale. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's. Unity play one shot. Enough. No, it does 0 to 1. That's dumb. Did I not? So it should be playing. You're vibing with this? Maybe we should grab a joint office one day? Hell yeah. That would be neat. The challenge is always if you can actually stomach me talking 24/7 about everything. Usually the deal breaker. Oh wait. Oh yeah, right. So this does work. What doesn't work is lowering the actual player. Hold on. Like if we check here. Obviously it's super loud. I can do the. No, it's the. Oh, I can't wait. Hold on. I guess they're all one shots. When do we set this? Because most of these guys play. Fine, let's just. You're tired, shut up. Oh, this is another one. Is this on the player? I assume it is. Oh no, it's not. Where the fuck do you go? Maybe it's a custom one for some insane reason. Hold on, let me check the audio mixer. No, it's a sound effect, for sure. In that case. Maybe that works. Hold on. Maybe I'm just wrong. Maybe not. No, it works. It works. Weird, weird, weird. Fine. Whatever. I get the ember. Don't question it. It's not so bad actually. It's just the steps are way too loud. That's nice. That's fine. Wonder what happens once I look it up like that. I don't check for pine collisions apparently. Oops. Lagging. You know, it sounds wild, but Crispy basically makes a unique channel in the mixer for almost every asset category and adjust it accordingly. This is of course easier with Wise F mode. Yes. I mean, it makes sense, honestly. It just gives you more control. So it's definitely not insane. I mean, I'm getting to that part as well. Yeah, like 40 channels. Yeah, Jesus. But it makes sense because then you get to decide like, oh no, actually this, like, okay, we have all these channels, but actually we just expose 4 like main channels for the player or whatever. And then you get to put everything easily where it should, like where you feel it belongs, which is, it's not bad. It's not bad. Oh, this is actually a bug. You see, we're still leaning. We shouldn't be leaning right now. When you enter build mode, you should stop moving. Like that. So that was actually a bug. That's why I wouldn't stay still. Interesting. Very interesting. I need to add fall damage. You would suggest, on the player topic, would suggest you have your own master FSX ambience channels and they are balanced, and then you feed those into the player tweakable channels. Yeah. I mean, that makes sense. I'm kind of noticing that already with this. Because like I feel like this is pretty optimal, like core balance, like between ambience and everything. Like if let me stand in the shelter and do, let's do heavy rain, which is very heavy. Just stay sheltered. Yeah, I feel like the volume is pretty good. Really need to fix the way fog interacts with the water asset. It's not ideal. It's a bit weird. I'm gonna get wet. For it. And I'm wet. Need to add more visual cues and stuff too to fix that. But now, at least, I mean, it's not perfect, but it's better. Yeah, no, exactly. I agree with you, Adriano. I don't think I'm gonna do it now because it's not worth spending too much time. Jesus, we really started lagging for some reason. Oh, I'm gonna die. Yeah. I didn't drink. I need to... Oh, this is another thing I need to fix. Too much gloss on vegetation when wet. Definitely. Gotta go watch an GDC video on AI stuff. Nice. You have crazy in the far north. Thank you. Playable soon? Yes, 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 yes. It's gonna be good. Take it easy, Adriana. Good seeing you. I'm actually gonna go for lunch soon as well. I need to add shrubs and a lot of lively things. Like, we're missing so much stuff. But auto is not bad. Footsteps are a bit too loud. I'm gonna try with the... it's doing the movement. Nope. Player step. Maybe if we one-shot it with 0.3. Player behavior on event, sound event. And then you play, you get the ID from the group. This is another one. This is the step. I'm just trying to figure out play. Source play, yeah. I'm trying to figure out how we're handling playing steps. Oh, right. I don't need to network this. I can just always do it. So that way we're not shooting ourselves in the foot. Don't mind me. We're pretty good. I do want to add a UI slider. I feel like we have some notifications and things that makes sense to put a slider on them. But probably not worth it right at this point. Let's see if the steps are lower, but reasonable. I don't feel like these work, honestly. I do keep it like that, right? Well, yeah, I do. Sound effect. Play it as a one shot using this volume, and that clip, and that source. This is easy enough. This should be easy enough. Actually, no, it's a bit loud. It's a bit loud. Let me just see what happens if I do 0.01. I just want to see if it actually even works. Because I'm kind of feeling skeptical that it does work. We'll see. had the best comment. That is hilarious. Maybe they just checked. I don't know. It's amazing, the timing. Footstep slider stuck on max volume. That's literally what's happening right now. Ha! That is amazing. That is absolutely amazing. Glorious. All right. Let's see if the thing is stuck or not. Wild. But if it's not working, I'm not sure what's going on. Like, there's no reason it shouldn't be working. It's getting pretty loud with the ambience. Son of a bitch, it does work. It's just insanely low for some reason. Okay. So reasonably, this... I should probably just do it this way. Save us some time. Volume, introduce this as a variable. Footstep volume. This is just to make it possible for us to refactor it, introduce a field instead, footstep volume, make it public because fuck it. It's just a temporary thing, and it should probably not be this. It should be like 0.2. And then here, just remove that. There we go. Let's just see how that works. I think I'm gonna go for an early lunch. So once this works, I'm gonna go take a break. I have some stuff to do around the house. I'm gonna probably work a little bit more with Mark because he wakes up around 1 p.m. my time, which is 7 a.m. his time. Or he doesn't wake up, he starts working at that point on the game. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna take a break as soon as I try out the steps. Then I'll then I'll take a break. I'm gonna I'm not sure what I should be doing. Probably clean the basement, yeah, actually. There's like, we have a billion things and it's just so much stuff. I don't know where to begin. I think we bought this new like 3 like shelves, like large heavy shelves for the basement. So I'm probably gonna assemble at least one and then kind of work room to room, I guess. I'm not sure. We have these large moving boxes that we have things like stored in. It's not great, like for the, yeah, it's just not good. But I want to try to separate things so I can get like something working. All right, so we immediately, I would argue, let's do this. Sound effects to the max. Did I save it? Okay, good. So how's the hit? Pretty loud. that. Wait. Pretty balanced so far. Okay. Okay. Just place a campfire. Sound effects is pretty good. Item add ember. You know what? That only happens for It's a good sound. If I go to the fire, it's 3D. I just want to see linear. If I do logarithmic, probably 5 and like 40. Probably until 2 meters. Let me actually do this now that we can actually control shit. Whoa. That's loud audio. Even louder. Okay. Watch out for your eardrums. I'm gonna swing. It's not bad. It's not bad. That's pretty good. See, that's a problem though. Why is this never reaching 0? Volume roll off. Yeah. Oops. Sorry. Not sure what spread is. Shit. Doesn't seem to matter. I'm not good enough with audio to know this. Reverb? Hmm. Stereo pan pitch is 1. No, it's pretty good. Pretty good. I'm gonna go to the campfire. Just gonna add that to it. Values. Good. Save that. Just tweaked it a little bit. Now the player, however, where are you, Mr. Player? Maybe 06. Yeah, because now the volume is reasonably gonna be like this. God damn, that swing is loud as shit balls. Not bad, not bad. But the empty swing is so loud. There's gotta be a setting in the... I wonder if these... Oh, they're just... Yeah, never mind. Okay. Items, inventory... Stone axe. Just want to see if we have No, we don't seem to use audio from this, which is kind of interesting. Why do we have a rigid body on it? Do we need a rigid body on the axe? Let me see what happens if I remove it. We definitely don't need a rigid body on the axe. God damn, some of these audio things are so loud. God, I hate the wisps. I definitely need to balance this. Need to figure out where the axe is making audio come from and stuff like that. Because this empty swing, I'm telling you, sheesh. Let's pull in all the ambience. Like usually I would say like this. Do we have light wind? Oh, we broke the console. Well, we know heavy rain, so... I mean, it's all pretty balanced. At this point, the sound effects are the large, like... Clear it. I mean, in this case, honestly, like... not bad. So like 0.09. I mean, let's just keep it in for now. We're gonna balance this later. 0.09 for the player. And we're good. Sweet. I'm gonna save and commit this. Hold on. Just gonna go to the player. Save it. All right. Tweaked. Added new way to manage audio by introducing mixer groups. Added music and effects slider and made kind of like that. Commit. Yes. Good. Push. Nice. Right. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna finish up here. If you haven't, go join our Discord, wishlist the game on Steam, link in description. We're launching on itch later in December, so if you're not a member of the Discord community yet, you should join because we're gonna post the game there once it becomes available, all the good stuff. I'm gonna grab some lunch and then get to work on some other things. Anyways, take it easy. Have a good one. See you later. Bye-bye.